Book of Heaven, Volume 12, January 15, 1920. One who wants to love, repair, substitute for all must live life in the divine will. I was pouring all of myself into the divine volition to be able to substitute for everything that the creature is obliged to do toward the Supreme Majesty. And while I was doing this, I said to myself, where shall I find enough love to be able to give my sweet Jesus love for all? And in my interior, he told me,
My daughter, in my will you will find this love, which can make up for the love of all, because one who enters into my will find many springing founts, and as much as he may take, they never decrease by one drop. So there is the fount of love, which mightily spouts its waves, but as much as it spouts, it always springs. There is the fount of beauty, and no matter how many beauties it puts out, it never fades. On the contrary, it springs with ever new and more beautiful beauties. There is the fount of wisdom, the fount of contentments, the fount of goodness, of power, of mercy, of justice, and of all the rest of my qualities. They all spring up, and each one pours into the other, in such a way that love is beautiful, is wise, is powerful, etc. The fount of beauty, the beauty love, wise, powerful, and with such power as to keep the whole of heaven enraptured, without ever tiring them. These springing founts form such a harmony, such a contentment and an enchanting show, that all the blessed remain so sweetly enchanted, that they do not move even one glance, so as not to miss even one of these contentments. Therefore, my daughter, the strict necessity for one who wants to love, repair, substitute for all, to live life in my volition, where everything springs, things multiply for as many as are needed, and remain all coined with the divine imprint. And this divine imprint forms other founts, whose waves rise so high that in pouring down they flood everything and do good to all. Therefore always, always in my will, there do I await you, there do I want you.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.